Good morning, my name is Hana Hafer. I've been with Syngenta about 8 years as a digital product manager. One of my main focuses is sustainability, and I support the sustainable operations business. Syngenta is an agricultural company. We focus on selling crop protection and seeds. Syngenta's made some strong Scope 3 targets, and this is in the area of our ESG reports. With these strong targets, we need to report against our Scope 1, 2, and 3. That's pretty technical for sustainability topics, but really our main issue was around data. Gathering data and having just the latest insights on visibility to that data if we're tracking appropriately towards our Scope 3 targets. We were mainly working in Excel spreadsheets, giant macros were supporting this business. Although it was all audit ready and audit proof in the past, we really were just putting a lot of human power and human effort into that manual effort. So we worked with Apelix using the Celonis Materials Emissions app to transform that entire process from Excels into the calculation and the robust dashboard that we now have. So we not only did the technical implementation, but also some process improvement. And now our efforts are reduced a lot from the data gathering perspective. My team can click through the Materials Emissions app really seamlessly to make all of these changes that are necessary for the Scope 3 report. From day one, it was a great experience being able to work with Apelix. We were introduced to Katza on the team, and she really dove into the details right away and was always very professional. Having that connection already between Syngenta and Apelix was also really helpful because we had that foundation laid of how we can onboard and admin things really smoothly. So that was really a great experience for me. I was also really impressed by how the team jumped into the new material as well.
From my side as well, it's been a very enjoyable process. We've been collaborating greatly, a lot of engagement from the project team since the early stages, and that really helped for the successful implementation. And as a plus, I learned a lot about sustainability and sustainable operations, so it was a great journey.
I think with any project implementation, we've already identified some areas of improvement, and there's already been some requests from the team for further enhancements. We've also been working together on a specific roadmap to cover some other areas and benefit the sustainable operations team and our other Scope 3 areas even more. So we have more planned. Yeah, we're looking forward to it.
Yeah, very exciting.